It's ready. We can make bread! For the necklace, pull off all the legs. The texture ain't great if you leave them on. Then skewer and roast it. Heat up some oil and give the coin bugs a good fry, stomach side down. Drop in a pinch of salt and stir them so the oil gets around evenly. There. Flip them spine side up so they look pretty. For the tiara, pop out the eggs and larvae from their nest. Break it up in the pot and boil everything together. Spoon it into a jar, and it's ready. It's ready. It's ready.